Huh? Oh, you know how to put the key in and everything.
No.
Well, you're next to get a driver's license, huh? Mommy got one, now you?
I have one way before I ended up doing it.
Mommy got one, now you? Huh? Mommy got one, now you? Just press every button, huh? Press every button. Mess up Daddy's car. Okay. Uh-oh. Who's that? Hello? Hola, Candy. ¿Va a estar mi papá ahí? ¿Qué voy a recoger? Oh, si era gratis. Era gratis. ¿Vas a trabajar? A ver si paso. Tengo unos mandados que hacer y a ver si paso más tarde. ¿Estás trabajando? Sí, pero el teléfono de mi papá está trabajando. No, el teléfono de él. Ok. Está bien, Candy. Lo llamo antes de llegar. Ok, adiós. Bye.
He knows how to put the keys in the car.
I know. He's been watching you guys. You think he's dumb? I'm not dumb, Mommy. I'm not dumb, Mommy.
No, put it on top of your head, like this. Look, like Mommy. See? Put it like that. Come on, you gotta go in your car seat. We gotta go bye-bye. Pick up your cake.
Still in diapers and he wants to drive. Can you believe it?
Beep, beep.
Beep, 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 beep. Kang, 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 kang.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Let's go bye-bye. Let's go bye-bye. Have you started off through?
Yeah, I mean, that's what I was just about to say. Oh, my God.
You can't start this car. Don't foolish us. I think we need to get going. We got a cake to pick up and a Target shopping. And now... Okay. Good boy.
Juiciness. I love it. Your juiciness. Juiciness.
Good. Yeah.